stand for a prayer, and this will be followed by singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Our Lucia knows her bar.
And I know that they can hear me. I would like to welcome everyone to San Francisco. In a little while, we will know who our next Lucia na San Francisco will be. And also, in a little while, we will be mesmerized by the beauty of our 13 contestants. But I just want to emphasize to everybody that we should never forget the common phrase, beauty with a purpose.
Lucia ng PDCI. Is runway and print-air model under Models Association of Cagayan de Oro runway model for Mindanao. Lucia ng San Francisco Grand Coronation Night! Let the excitement and festivities begin! The ladies join us in extending a long welcome to our Lucia ng San Francisco 21 Forgetting as they grace the stage in their spectacular production number. Lucia number 6, Miss Jaya Quijada. Number 7, Miss Abby.
tanggap din yung mutya number 3 of this.
And of course, I see we are truly overwhelmed and of course appreciate all of our fans and supporters of all of our candidates here tonight. Daghan kayo salamat for supporting our candidates. It truly means the world to them that you are all here tonight.
Yes, that's right. Alright, moving forward. We
And of course, we're sponsored the parent of the winning candidate, the Rally Success at the Village.
Congratulations once again, Mutya number 3 bagging 3 awards so far.
Kakatawar.
Oh, who knows? Up next, our Science Sheet Fashion Boutique. And our Miss Science Sheet Fashion Boutique is Mutya number 6.
And of course, we're sponsored the parent of the winning candidate, the Rally Success at the Village.
Once again, congratulations to Mutya number 6. Let's move on to Miss Uptown Garage Resto Cafe. Miss Uptown Garage Resto Cafe is Mutya number 8.
We're sponsored the parent of the winning candidate, the Rally Success at the Village.
Congratulations, our next corporate award is Miss AA Tapsy Time. And our Miss AA Tapsy Time is Mutya number 8.
We're sponsored the parent of the winning candidate, the Rally Success at the Village.
Congratulations, Mutya number 8. We still have a few more special awards and corporate awards to give out, and one of them is Miss Trinkle's Bake Shop. Miss Trinkle's Bake Shop is Mutya number 6.
We're sponsored the parent of the winning candidate, the Rally Success at the Village.
Congratulations. Our next corporate award is Miss YG Consumers Goods Trading. And our Miss YG Consumers Goods Trading is Mutya number 1.
And of course, we're sponsored the parent of the winning candidate, the Rally Success at the Village. okay.
Congratulations, our next corporate award is Miss Tuna Republic. And this goes to Mugyat number 1.
We're blessing our sponsor, the bird of the week candidate, your honor of the sash and bouquet.
Congratulations to Mugyat number 1. Our next corporate award comes from Albiena Optical Clinic. Miss Albiena Optical is Mugyat number 6.
Once again, requesting our sponsor, the bird of the week candidate, for having the sash and bouquet.
Congratulations, our next award is Miss Co-Credit. This goes to Mugyat number 8.
Requesting our sponsor, the bird of the winning candidate, to having the sash and bouquet.
Once again, congratulations to Mugyat number 8. Our next award is Miss Ginebra San Miguel. Miss Ginebra San Miguel is Mugyat number 4.
Requesting our sponsor, the bird of the winning candidate, for having the sash and bouquet.
Congratulations, and our final award for this set is our Miss Friendship. And our Miss Friendship is Mugyat number 12.
Requesting our sponsor, the bird of the winning candidate, for having the sash and bouquet.
Once again, congratulations to our winners for our special and corporate awards. All of you ladies truly deserve your awards for tonight, and we still have so much more in store for all of you guys, so you may now exit the stage.
34 candidates as they heat up and sizzle on the runway in the swimsuit competition. Once again, let's give them a round of applause.
Number 4. Number 7. Number 12. John Gaddis.
Mucha number. Congratulations, Mucha. Number 2.
The best supporter Russian chance to be awarded by an Honorable Vince Simon Kupina. That's the election number is awarded by League President of the Ronald Indito.
Once again, Mucha number 8.
That's the Mother Philippine is to be awarded by an Honorable Supporter, Ian Song. That's the sleeper is to be awarded by Tourism Officer, Mr. Waya Caratao.
Best in evening gown goes to Mucha number. Any guesses? Congratulations, best in evening gown Mucha number 1.
That's the evening gown is to be awarded by an Honorable Jesse Bernard.
Take this spotlight. Mutya number 3.
This is a big moment for you, so say hello to candidate number 1. And to complete at the top 5. Congratulations, Mucha number 11. Delivering their answers so that they will not be distracted of different social media platforms. What are its advantages and disadvantages? And how do you plan to use this as a Mutya ng San Francisco? I repeat, in this age of different social media
Have negative and positive impact on our lives. As a Mutya ng San Francisco, I would use my platform, which is my advocacy, women empowerment. I will empower those women that have hesitation and that can step up just like what I did, because I was raised by a single mother and I experienced firsthand in how hard it is, how the struggle is. So, thank you.
Here we go. Once again, you have 40 seconds to deliver your answer, and kindly take the envelope that would contain your final question for tonight. Thank you very much. Mutya 3, allow me to read to you the question twice, and your question is, what do you hope to achieve during your reign as Mutya ng San Francisco 2024? Or repeat, what do you hope to achieve during your reign as Mutya ng San Francisco 2024?
As a Mutya ng San Francisco 2024, it is a great privilege and opportunity for me to voice out my cause and purpose in engaging in this pageant. And I believe if I will be reigning as Mutya ng San Francisco, I will be the voice of this voiceless youth that needs knowledge and education because they deserve it all. Thank you.
Powerful
think makes San Francisco a unique and special place? I'll repeat. What do you think makes San Francisco unique and
That San Francisco is unique and made a special place because of its people. The warmth that it gives to the people around the community. The welcome and the values that it has. And I want to be the Mutya in San Francisco because I embody the values and visions that aligns with it. Thank you. Right now, it's okay because I'm one step away from the crowd.
I only pick one? Again, qualities do you believe are essential for a successful Mutya ng San Francisco? I'll repeat. What qualities do you believe are essential for a successful Mutya ng San Francisco?
One quality I believe for a successful media in San Francisco is authenticity. Because truth be told, there's always be someone with better looks, good presentation, nicer nails, beautiful voluminous hair, but no one has lived a life that you have. No one has lived a life. As for me, I will focus on my causes, run my own race, be at my own pace, and be 100% me. Thank you.
Question, are you ready? To use your platform as Mutya ng San Francisco to make a positive impact in the community. I'll repeat. How do you plan to use your platform as Mutya ng San Francisco to make a positive impact in the community?
Legacy. What is legacy? Legacy is planting seeds in a garden that you will never see. As a Mutya, I want to preserve the pristine beauty of our Mount Magdiwata in the next 100 years because its watershed has provided over 9,400 residents, users here in San Francisco. And another way of preserving the beauty of Mount Magdiwata is one program is Imong Yuta Ugmara Kay Bayaran Ta program. In that way, we can ensure that the beauty of San Francisco, Mount Magdiwata can be preserved for the next generation to enjoy. And we can inspire at the same time a legacy of love, respect for our planet. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mutya, and let's truly greet
At 17, I embarked on this journey with heartful determination. And being chosen as your Mutya has
going to be awarded